Hello dear students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home. You are also safe with your parents. So dear students, as we have started our topic, that is what is this, and yesterday we have learned about what is it. Okay, so both we have learned and we have understood. Now today we are going to do page number 33. Let's write. So all of you open your book of Stepping Stone and open the page number 3939. So here also we have to fill the blanks with this. Okay, THIS this का use करके हमें blank complete करना है. So here is the first one. Speech box blank kite is green. So ये boy आपको क्या बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है? So this kite is green. So here we can make a small sentences with this and it. So here a boy make a small sentence. उसने किस तरीके का sentence बनाया? कि इसके पास जो kite है वो क्या है? Green. So this kite is green. After that here is the second sentence you can make. The tree in blank park is very big. यानी इस पार्क में जो ट्री है वो बहुत ही बिग है. So here we have to write THIS this. The tree in this park is very big. This also a small sentence you can say in English. Okay. Here as इस तरीके से आप लोग many sentences in English में बना सकते हैं and English सीख सकते हैं. After that here is one more. Dialogue box, speech box, Anurag. Blank garden has pretty flowers. तो अनुराग का फ्रेंड जो है गुरमीत, उसे वो अनुराग को क्या बता रहा है? This garden has pretty flowers. यानी इस गार्डन में कैसे फ्लावर्स हैं? Pretty flowers यानी beautiful flowers. So he is also telling to Anurag. So here is again we learn a small sentence. Then after that, dear students, there is an activity time in the page number 4040. Before that, completed this, dear students, on page number 39. You have to write this on the all blanks given. Okay students, I hope you all have done this. After that, let's do activity now. Okay, activity is given here on the page number 4040. Okay, 4040 activity time. So in the A box, okay, you can see A and B. In the B there is a poem, and in A we have learned to speak and write. All the words you have learned, they are names, and they are all names. ये सारे words जो लिखे हुए हैं, FISH fish, BIRD bird, PUPPY puppy, CAT cat, BUS bus, CYCL cycle, TRAIN train, and after that CHAIR chair, chair, BOOK book. इन सबकी स्पेलिंग आपको पढ़ते हुए लर्न करना है. WINDOW window, CHURCH church, TEMPLE temple, MOSQUE mosque. ये सारी स्पेलिंग्स हमने पढ़े थे, है ना, ऑन द पेज नंबर स्टार्टिंग चैप्टर के पेज नंबर पे हमने ये सारी स्पेलिंग्स को रीड आउट किया किया था on the page number 34, है ना. So after that what we have to do in this, write P, A and T for place, animals and thing for each word. हर एक word के सामने हमें P, A और T लगाना है. So P for place, A for animals and T for things. So fish and bird are animals. So here we have to write A and circle it. Okay. Then there is puppy. Puppy is also animal, so write A. Cat is also animal, so write A. Bus is a thing, so write T. Cycle and train is also a thing, so write T and make a circle. After that, chair is also a thing, so write T and circle. Book is also thing, so write again T. Window is also thing. Then temple, mosque and church जो है वो है place. So here we have to write P and circle it. Okay. So dear student, let's do it in your book on page number 40, activity time. So fish and bird are animals. So we have written A there and we have to circle the A letter. Then A letter again for puppy and cat. Then bus, cycle, train, book, chair, book and window. These all are the non-living things. So we have written T, letter T, and we have circled it. After that, church, temple and mosque are places. So that's why we have written there letter P. Okay, understood? After this, there is a poem that is God Bless. Poem God Bless. So when we do a prayer for anyone, अगर हमें किसी के लिए prayer करनी है, so we have to do this prayer. So God bless everyone. God bless everyone. Bless the children here today. Bless the children here today. Bless the children far away. Bless the children far away. God bless everyone. God bless everyone. In this way you can pray for all, है ना. सभी के लिए आप इस तरीके से हाथ जोड़ के प्रेयर कर सकते हैं. So dear students, you have to recite this poem and recite this prayer. You can say a prayer also, है ना. ये poem आप ये prayer आपको every day when you go to sleep at night on bed आपको ये वाली poem बोल के सोना है. Understood? I hope you all have understood about the activity time and also love the poem to recite it. And dear students, tomorrow we will meet again and learn something new. Okay students, so we have completed 4 chapters of English CB. I hope you all have understood about all these chapters. If you have any query related to up to the chapter number 1 to 4, so you can ask me or message me on my personal number. So bye dear students, take care, have a nice day and do the prayer every day. Bye.